Hi everybody, I'm Kelly from CakeBoss Software, and today I'm pricing out a recipe for chocolate marshmallow buttercream from the website poetryandpies.com. I'll drop a link in the description so you can visit this site to view the original photos and instructions for this recipe. This frosting is a combination of ganache and buttercream with the addition of marshmallow cream, which makes it extremely light and fluffy. It's great for chocolate cake, brownies, or even gourmet frosted cookies. So to start this recipe, I'll go to Recipes, and I'll click the Create New button. The name is Chocolate Marshmallow Buttercream, and the category is frosting. And I'll click Add, and now the recipe has been started. In the description, I'll put poetryandpies.com to make a note of the source. And I'll leave the servings blank since I typically don't attempt to enter those for frosting recipes. And then I'll head over to the Ingredients tab to begin adding the ingredients. First, we have 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate baking squares. This is for the ganache. Depending on your personal taste, you could use bittersweet or milk chocolate squares. Next is 3 ounces of heavy cream. 1 cup of unsalted butter. 3 cups of powdered sugar, 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and that's all the ingredients in this recipe. You can see at the bottom that the total cost for this recipe is $7.15. Be sure to visit poetryandpies.com to read the directions and type them in the Directions tab if you wish. This recipe is now available to be imported into your personal recipe collection. Just go to Recipes and click Import Recipes to see the list of available recipes. Check the recipes you'd like to add and then click Import Recipes. Thanks for watching. CakeBoss Software is the best value with the best customer service in the business. Visit us at cakeboss.com or send us an email at support@cakeboss.com. Be sure to like this video and click the subscribe button to be notified when we post new content.